My name is Keleigh and I've been coming to the Med Gym for a little over 3 years now. I had a pretty significant injury, ruptured 2 discs in my neck, tore up my right shoulder. As a result of that long process, I gained about 125 pounds, had surgery on my neck, I had surgery on my shoulder. 2022, I think it was, is when I started coming to the Med Gym, and I'd had my second shoulder surgery at that point. They helped me, after I had come from PT, to finish up my rehab and get stronger. Then I had to have surgery on my left shoulder, a replacement. That surgery was 10 times easier because I had been coming to the Med Gym. I was in much better shape. All of my programs are designed specifically for me. If you have a particular problem on any given day, the program can be adjusted for that. After being injured for a significant amount of time, I had lost a huge amount of strength and mobility. Now it has been restored a lot. It's nice to show up and your trainer greets you and they step you through your program, and they're always helpful, and that, for me, has been a huge motivator to keep coming.